Welcome to the StreamHub app, a next-generation TV experience that unifies live TV and catch-up TV. In this demo, I'll show you how our app implements the DVB-I standard, from service discovery to a metadata-driven user experience, all wrapped in a modern user-friendly UI you have never seen before. When the user firstly launches the app, they see the sign-in screen. The authentication system is fully implemented, including sign-up, forgot password, and email verification functions. The app features a streamlined dark theme with fluid transitions, responsive layouts, and accessibility-optimized typography. High-contrast font and button colors enhance readability and ensure a comfortable, efficient user experience, even during prolonged use. After signing in, the app automatically queries the DVB-I service list registry and retrieves available service lists published by multiple broadcasters. Using the user's IP address, the app identifies their current country and city. Based on this information, it highlights best match service lists and regions, making it easy for the user to select the most relevant configuration. Once a region is selected, the user receives a fully optimized set of channels and channel ordering for that location. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a visually enhanced channel list featuring real-time thumbnails that display the program currently on air. In the bottom right corner, a quick scroll feature lets you swiftly navigate up or down the list for faster access to any channel. When you tap the menu button at the top left corner, you can see several menus. First, there is Account, where you can check your account information and profile. Next, My List, where you can add or edit your favorite channel list. You'll also find Watch List, which allows you to bookmark videos to watch later. Under the privacy policy, support to access frequently asked Q&A, and contact us. There's also settings for app customization, about for app information, and finally, exit to close the app. When you open the account section, you can customize your profile background color and easily update your name or password. Next, go to My List. Here, you'll find all your saved favorite channel lists. By selecting View Channel, you can see the channels included in each list. You can also add or remove channels directly from the full channel list. The most powerful feature here is the ability to reorder your favorite channels freely using a simple drag-and-drop gesture. It's especially useful in countries like Germany, where there are many regional or duplicate channels, making a personalized channel lineup much more convenient. You can also create a new channel list directly within the My List page, but there's an easier way. From the home menu, you can view live program previews and channel logos at the same time, making it easy to decide which channels to add to your My List. Simply tap the heart icon on channel, then press the heart plus button in the top right corner. You can give it a name, choose an icon, and select a theme that matches your preference. To view your saved list, tap the filter icon on the top right. Scroll through the options and, under All Channels, select the name of the list you created. When you tap Show Results, the list title changes to your selected one, and you'll see only the channels you added, displayed in the exact order you arranged earlier. If you tap the filter icon again and switch back to All Channels, the view returns to the complete default channel list. In short, this feature enables users to fully personalize their viewing experience. What else can we filter? Usually, radio channels are listed at the very bottom, so users have to scroll a lot to find them. Since many people don't like having TV and radio channels mixed together, we've separated them by type. With just a simple button click, users can quickly access the type of channel they want. Shall we try looking for programs suitable for children under 6? Or maybe find programs that support subtitles or dialogue enhancement. All available options, like accessibility, genre, and age rating, are dynamically populated in real time based on each program's metadata. Flexible search lets users quickly find what they want, by channel name or currently airing program. When the user taps the channel, the app instantly begins live streaming. The program information section is expandable and can be hidden. You can hide it to view more channel guides. Next, users can explore the electronic program guide. Enjoy live TV while viewing other channels' schedules with the expanded EPG. See what's on every channel, anytime, day or night. You can quickly switch to another channel by clicking its logo in the EPG. Playback of other programs starts instantly, and channel information is updated quickly. It detects delivery type, whether dash, HLS, or transport stream, and adjusts automatically. The app also supports catch-up TV, allowing users to rewatch current program later by adding watch list or more episodes. For programs that support the restart, you can add the current program to your watch list to watch later. Tap the More Episodes button to view other episodes or related content. You can catch up on missed episodes by checking episode titles and air dates. View your list in either list or album style. Add individual episodes to your watch list as well. Bookmark content to watch later while exploring other programs. Saved content is accessible from the watch list menu on the home screen. Swipe to remove items from your watch list. To watch the current program from the beginning, click the timer-shaped restart button at the top right. For programs or channels that do not support restart, the button will be disabled. Tap the Cast button at the top right corner to cast content to enabled devices via Google Cast and enjoy it on a larger screen. Even devices that don't yet support DVB-I can use casting, and even subtitles is available. Tap the player and the pip button will appear. You can shrink the screen or do other things at the same time. I love texting while binge-watching Netflix. Multitaskers like me really need features like this. StreamHub supports playlist channels that automatically plays the next program. Tap the share button at the bottom right of the program info to share what you're watching with friends or family. You can send it through WhatsApp, Facebook, text, quick share, or email too. Heck terms and policies in the menu. For support, view the frequently asked questions or contact us via email or phone if needed. End settings. Configure the app or reinstall for a different service list. Reinstalling resets all saved watch lists and channels, except the samples. About page shows the app version and detailed info. To log out, go to Settings in the menu and scroll to the bottom to find the Sign Out button. After logging out, you will return to the sign-in screen. Signing in with the same account will take you back to your previously installed service list. Finally, to exit the app from the home screen, press the back key without any open windows or use the exit button in the menu. A dialog will appear to confirm exiting the app. Thank you for watching the StreamHub app demo, built based on the DVB-I specification. If you want to learn more about this Flutter app, please check the GitHub page below.
Thank you, Daniel. So I will share my screen again. Do you see my screen?
Yeah, we see it.
Okay, perfect. So this is my Galaxy S25. So if you open the StreamHub app and it's already logged in, so this is the main page of this StreamHub app, and these are services. You can see all the services in. I already installed services, so you can go down. So this is last channel. So if I tap the first channel, then it will play the content. It will have a program information, so I can extend to see more synopses, and I can make minimize so that I can see more EPG. I'm currently in the UK, and then I'm using the VPN, which is set to Germany, so it could be take a bit to play the content. Yeah, it takes time. Yeah. So you can maximize the content like this and go back. And you can also watch more episodes if substituted. I think VPN is not working very well today. Yes. So, and I also implement after the competition. I also had a implement the box set. So this is build program, which is in service list. This is also on DVB-I specification. So if I have film, and there are film content, so you can see all the episodes of this program. You can also save it. So yeah. If you have anything you want to see, then I can see from here.
Thanks, Hyunmin. Maybe we reserve the last remaining 8 minutes that we have for any potential questions. So
Okay.
let's check. Do we have questions? Jolly, go ahead, please.
Yes, I have a question would be, we are working on, we developed a sort of app for IBC, I think it was 24. And let's say we were having, and correct me, Daniel, but we were hosting our own XML with some services, right? So is it possible to use the app and upload, let's say, or point to a different XML or to point to a different channel list and use the app as is with a different list of services? Is that possible?
Yes, it's possible. So if you tap the menu and then go to setting, so you need to clear the cache first, and then clear and go to reinstall service list, and you will erase all the data and then reinstall. Then it will show the service list which is already installed, but I create secret menu. So if you tap next for 7 times,
that's
then
really
it will, yes, so it will show the digit code. So if you tap 3, 2, 5, 6, and then okay. Oh, there's a problem with. Let me try again.
Now you're showing the really secret menus.
That was the secret
Yes.
for us.
Yes. Oh, I think there's something problem here. But yeah, I already tried this before many times. So there will be the blank. Then you can type your service list URL, and then you wish change the service list here, and then you can use it. Yes.
Nice. Very well.
That's exactly what we need, yeah, because we want to link our own content. So it's great to have this secret menu.
Okay, perfect.
Great. Okay. Any additional questions? Maybe one from my side also, Hyunmin. Everything that you showed also in the video, all these features, is there anything put on top of what DVB-I allows us to do at this point? Or is the metadata, is that all coming from the DVB-I service lists and there's nothing that you, for instance, linked or put on top of what the standard allows to do?
So do you mean what I implement from the DVB-I specification, or?
Yeah, so I mean, all the metadata is coming from the service list, but I was wondering if there's anything that you think would be missing in the DVB-I specification as of today, and that you maybe added on top of what DVB-I would give you at this point.
So, well, I still have many things I should implement. So I still need to do the image variants. So which is they provide different size and different color, because sometimes the app could be white or it could be more bright color. Then you can use a dark channel logo. But in terms of my app UI is a dark mode, so like dark channel logo will not fit. So I need to implement image variants thing so that I can see the bright channel logo on my UI.
Okay, that would be a good example.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also Germany will use IceCast for their radio channels. So I still didn't go that far. So if there's more like German profile, then I can just add it and then yeah, to see the radio channels.
Okay, crazy Germans. Go ahead, Thomas.
Yes, thank you. I was away for 3 minutes, sorry. But what I wanted to check, the app is obviously processing the DVB-I service list, but then on the next level of the player, are you relying on an extra player here? Is there any specifics or anything like this? Maybe that was.
So I'm using the Better Player Plus, which is filter plugin. So this is based on Excel Player. So I can add more icon or features on the top of player, and then it's so convenient to use for DRM. And then I can also use this player for iOS. So that's why I choose this player.
Oh, okay. Daniel, did I hear what play is it?
Better
I also
Player Plus.
maybe you can put a link to the play in the chat
Okay.
if that's possible.
Yes. Okay, no problem.
Okay. Okay. And I mean, the service lists are built.
Yes, that's built in, but as I said,
Yeah,
I can change anytime. Yes.
but the content behind the service lists, that is, so you're all capable to play the content. Maybe that was a question. There is no issue on compatibility on the services that are behind this. Like if you go to the German pilot, I'm sure there's a couple of test channels there.
Mm-hmm. So there was no issue in playing any contents, but the thing is, if they provide more episodes or any other VOD contents, they could provide as a HBB TV. But as you know, HPTP is for TV specification, not for mobile. So in that case, I can't play any HBB player, but instead they sometimes provide HTML5. So that one I still can play the contents.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Hyunmin. Maybe at any point, you don't have to answer this now, but if the source code would be open on GitHub, right now there's an APK, I think, that is linked. So if that's available, I think that would also be greatly beneficial for other open source projects. But yeah, so if that's going to happen, please keep us updated. Otherwise, this information about being able to change the service list is already of great benefit for us. So thank you for pointing that out.